Hello students, welcome back to Madhvi's Java programming tutorials. In this video, I'll be explaining you menu programs using decision making or selection process and the importance of iteration, which is also known as repetition. Let's see the contents. Introduction, menu programs using if statement and Java program depicting the same, menu program using switch case and Java program. Let's start. Menu is a list of options or choices offered to the user. This particular menu is a GUI, graphical user interface. Now users can choose one or more choices from list depending on the requirement. And one of the most important application of selection or decision statements is to create menu programs. And to write menu programs, either if statement or switch case statement may be used. Menu program using if statement. Let's see one program here. Display a menu with the following options. First option is area of square, which is S into S, area of rectangle, formula is L into B, 0 to exit. So display a menu means we will have three statements showing the menu. First, second and 0, that is third option. Now read choice from user and do the needful. So this is the question. Read choice. Choice can be either 1, 2 or 0. So if there is any choice, if construct can be used. Let's see the program, area program. First of all, we import scanner and create an object in main method and declare 4 variables. First one is to read the choice. Second one, in choice 1, we need side to calculate side into side. And in choice 2, we need 2 variables which are length and breadth to calculate the area of rectangle. After these declarations, display menu with the options 1 area of square, 2, so system.out.println 1 area of square, 2 and so on and so forth. Now read choice. If the choice is 1, display message enter side and read side variable because we will be doing the program for area of square. Area of square we need side variable. And then we display. For area of rectangle, we need 2 variables. What are they? Length and breadth. We read them and display the area of rectangle. Third choice is 0, exit the program. This is the process which we are going to follow. Let's see the Java program. Now see the program. Here, what we do is import javautil.scanner. After that, we create an object SC. Then we have 4 system.out.println statements or one only with /n, that is escape sequence. Now area of square 1, 2 is area of rectangle, 0 is exit, enter your choice. Now we are trying to read the choice. Choice is sc.nextInt. Now choice user gives either 1 or 2 or 0. So if choice is 1, we have to write the program. Else if choice is 2, else if choice is 0, end of the program. So in first choice, what do we require? We require area of square. So for that, system.out.println enter side. Enter side. In that case, user tries to give side of the square. So int s is equal to sc dot next int. We are reading into another variable called s, side. Now side is ready. We need to display area. System dot out dot println area of the square is, we will display area by just calculating. What is the formula? S into S. This is the program for the first part. Now we'll try to execute this part. First of all, it has to display a menu, and after that, choice 1, it has to do this part. Choice 2 is not written. Choice 0 is end of the program. So Control K and close this area void main and say OK. It is displaying a menu, area of square, area of rectangle, exit, enter your choice. Look at this. This is running the program. When we give 1, what happens? Area of square should be displayed. It is asking enter side. I give 2, let's suppose. Area of the square is 4. 2 2s are 4. The program stopped executing. It is not giving me the menu again. Okay, let's write the rest of the part. Now I have written the rest of the program. Look at this. This is the menu. First choice you have seen already. Second choice, enter length of a rectangle. L is the variable we have read. Enter breadth of a rectangle. B we have read. And area of the rectangle is L into B. So this is the full program, but still we are not happy with this program because it executes only one choice at a time. The program stops, which we don't want. How? Let's see. Executing the program, say OK. Area of square, we've seen the first option, so we will see second option. Enter length, 3, enter breadth, 4, 3 4s are 12, area of rectangle, and the program has stopped. This menu is okay. What if it is a restaurant? And here burger, pizza, some french fries is there. As soon as we choose burger, first option, it will say, okay, tata, bye-bye, you pay for it. I don't want you to take any more things. Burger is enough for you. It cannot say that. Needs to take the order. So this particular thing to be repeated again and again as long as user does not give exit option, that is 0. So let's rewrite the program or change a little bit by adding one iteration statement. Iteration means repetition. The next 3-4 videos I'll be concentrating on iteration only, but for the time being we will use one concept called while true. Means continuously do this part. While true. While true, we will end here. Where did we start? At the beginning. This scanner, no need of declaring again and again. So that part we kept it outside. But the menu to be repeated, choice to be taken, and so on and so forth, repeated. Then this while loop cannot be stopped unless and until we use a break statement. Because it is infinite loop. While true is infinite loop. So we are starting this while true before the menu, ending after the third choice, that is 0th choice, When it is 0, end of the program, break, stop the program. Let's see. Void main, okay. Area of, this is working, look at this. Area of square, 1. Enter side of the square, 5. 5 5s are 25. And still working and displaying the menu second time. This is because of iteration statement. Now enter your choice 2. Enter length 3, 4. 3 4s are 12 and again displaying the menu. This process will continue as long as user wishes to continue. 1 2 1 2, keep giving, it keeps on working. When does it stop? When user gives 0. So 0, immediately end of the program and stopped. This is what is iteration. Iteration in menu programs. Similarly, we can use, instead of if choice 1, else choice 2, something like that, we can use switch case also. Switch CH, case 1 do all these things, break. Case 2, these things, break. Case 3, this break, I will explain in switch case, it cannot be break but system.exit 0. We will see that program also. Now let's see menu programs using switch case. Here is a program, display menu with the following options: even odd check, positive negative check, exit. Read a choice from user and do the needful using switch case construct. So, import scanner and create an object, declare variables to read choice, A in choice 1 for reading a number and B in choice 2. Or we can take A variable little above before the menu and can use in both the cases. Now, display menu, even odd check, positive negative check, 0 exit, read a choice, switch choice. Case 1, display message, enter a number and read variable A, decide even or odd using if statement, even odd, then break. Case 2, display message, enter a number and read B variable, decide positive or negative using if statement, break. Case 3, exit the program. Let's see in Blue Java. Now see the program. Scanner class, even odd check, positive negative check, exit, enter your choice. Choice is sc.nextInt. Switch choice, case 1, nothing is written so far, break. Case 2, nothing is written so far, break. Case 0, system.out.println, end of the program. Now Control K. Now when we execute this even odd pause neg program, it is displaying the menu and trying to take the options. Now as soon as I give 1, nothing is there, but this program stops. This program stops because there is no iteration. Okay, stopped. So let's write the program and have while loop so that it repeats again and again. Now let's see the program. Switch choice, switch ch, that is choice. Case 1, something is written, break. What is that something? It is related to even odd check. System.out.print, enter a number. A is been read. If A modulo 2 double equals to 0, this program we have written even number. Divide A by 2, get the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then even number. Else, odd number. Break. This is very important. First option is done, then second option. Positive negative check. Case 2, that is second option. System.out.print, enter a number, b is equal to sc.nextInt. We can use same a, but don't declare it again a, and use a again and again everywhere wherever b is mentioned. Now b is equal to read a number. If b is 0, neutral number, greater than 0, positive number, else means less than 0, it is a negative number, and break. Case 0, end of the program. Control K and let's execute the program. Okay. Even odd check, this is working. Let's suppose I have chosen 2, second option. Enter a number. Let's suppose I said 3. It is saying 3 is a positive number and the program finished because there is no repetition statement, that is while. How do we give that? Again, open this, whatever we want to give before the menu, while true, and start the curly brackets starting from this place to the end of this, end of after switch. This is end of switch, this is end of while, end of while loop. So from there to here it has to work. But this break statement in switch case takes the control out of the switch but not out of the while. Break, if I write here, it will take the control out of the switch but not control out of the while. We want to come out of the while loop. In switch case, we can use one thing called system.exit 0, means come out of the program, come out of the program, end of the program. So control K and right click here, say okay. Even odd check, this is working. Please understand this is keep on working because repetition is there. Now 1, even odd check, enter a number. 2, it's even number. Again 1 I am giving, and but this time I am giving 5, let's suppose. This time we are giving 5 and this is odd number. 5 is an odd number. Next time we are giving 2, positive negative check, enter a number. 4, it's giving positive number. Like this we can continue any number of times, but when user gives 0, then only this stops executing. Press enter and program stopped working. So this is about a menu program which has an iteration. We can appreciate iteration because it is repeating things. The next few videos is about iteration only. Refer chapter 7 of Basics in Computer Applications for further understanding and practice exercises based on menu programs. The next video is about iteration in Java. Thank you.